Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Doogee T10e and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Google Play Store applications are not visible on your shop. To fix it, go back to the main menu of your device, tap on your photo on the right corner and there are settings. In it, family, parental control, which is on right now, and we can't do that. We can't download our Mobile Legends games because we have PG3. To visible game application like that, we need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin, and now we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe PG16, confirm I got it, and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. You can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!